Then in the electives, we have user interface and user experience design, digital marketing, 3D modeling, and C++. So these courses they act as supporting roles, because before any digital product is built, it goes through the UI UX design stage, and after it is built, then it goes to the digital marketing stage, where it can now be marketed and profits can be generated from it. 3D modeling is used in advertising brands. It's used in creating 3D characters for animations and movies that. Okay, I believe the next slide is talking about our approach. We are taking a practical approach, and the whole essence of our approach is to lay the foundations within the week 1, so that by week 2 to week 5, you have practical sessions. Look, I built this, I designed this during this training course. And after the training, you will also be part of the community where you work on community projects. Our goals are you'll be able to put yourself out there and get jobs and from clients all around the world on Fiverr, Upwork, and so many other freelancing platforms. We focus on real-world examples to equip you with the skills required to land entry-level remote IT jobs. And you will have, if you have an app or product idea, you will be able to get started with accomplishing your desired goals with this idea after this training program. We'll give you the assistance and the guidance to get started building your own digital product. As a tip, I want to ask us, do we know that the most expensive or the most valuable digital product ever sold was sold this year? And it's a single digital product, a social media platform, sold in excess of $40 billion. So this just tells us a little about how important it is to have a digital skill in this age. Out of the $40 billion, only God knows how much of it Jack Dorsey is getting, the CEO of Twitter, the founder himself. So you could be the next Jack Dorsey. You could found something that changes lives and that solves